Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to get a refund on FanBasis so you can resolve issues with purchases, request your money back, and understand your rights without getting stuck in confusing support threads. First off, if you bought something on FanBasis and it wasn't delivered, didn't work, or wasn't what was promised, you can start a refund request directly through your account. To do that, go to the purchase page, click on the Dispute option, and clearly explain why you're asking for a refund. Be honest and specific, like if content wasn't posted, a perk wasn't sent, or access wasn't given. Here's a pro tip. Always try messaging the creator first. Sometimes it's just a misunderstanding or small delay, and a quick chat can solve everything fast. Don't forget, if you don't get a response or still want a refund, file a formal dispute. FanBasis will review both sides and make a fair decision. Also, keep your messages and any proof of communication handy. It helps if things escalate. Should getting a refund feel frustrating? Not anymore. Now you know exactly how to handle it like a pro. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and let me know. What should we cover next?